Oh my god. Uh. Oh, that was funny.
All right, there. Okay, I was clear on
I
the other
liked
side. Sorry, guys.
River's intercom message.
I know, great
Yeah.
announcement, right?
Ooh!
right when you said it.
Ow.
Well, somebody didn't like it.
Okay. Hello?
Hello.
Twinkle. Or is that me or is
Alright, so it's
someone
not
else?
T.
No, that's T.
Okay,
What
damn.
happened?
I really thought that was going to be me. Okay.
What happened?
Oh.
Well, hold on. I was stalking.
Someone's faking River. Good.
Oh, yeah, for real.
Cloud, you said you were stalking Kamen?
Yeah, and I don't know. I don't have any.
Okay.
I don't have anything going for that.
I'm going to go with it.
I don't know.
You just stalking me. That doesn't mean anything.
Oh, shit. Ooh!
Oh, fuck. I hate you guys. Fuck you.
Are you going? Oh my god.
Yay. You